How can I make ctrl+left/right keys to move by whole word in tmux? In both ZSH and bash, Ctrl+arrows allows me to move the position I'm typing it by whole word, but this does not work in tmux, which is a problem as I'm currently launching it automatically every time I open a shell. How can I fix this?
Edit your /tmux.conference and add lines. If you don't want to make it permanent just yet, do. Reload your config in tmux by doing. More information here.
Got me some of the way there and gave me ctrl+left/right on the console, but it was still responding differently in Vim. Unbinding the keys didn't seem to help. It turned out that at some point I had set my default terminal to screen, set Option G default terminal screen, in .tmux.conference. Changing this to the following gave me ctrl+left/right in everything else. Hope that helps somebody.
For me, the keys were not being bound correctly, because the system preferences in High Sierra were set to being used by mission control. Unchecking these then allowed the correct bindings to work in a term 2 in tmux. Unchecking all of the items referencing the control key allowed the bindings to work properly.
Formzs 2/sigwin/meany. Add below 2, ~.inputterk. Reload would make tmux work correctly.
If you want to support that channel, please consider subscribing.